Yo, what's up, guys? If you're seeing this, you're probably seeing the clip after where I actually showed my car for the first time, like from the outside POV. So, I'm just on my way home from the gas station. Nothing else crazy. Oh, shit. I do have to turn on the defrost. For some reason, I'm getting humidity buildup. I don't know if you guys can see there, but I do have some crazy humidity buildup. I don't know why it's been happening. I don't know what's causing it, but it's kind of annoying. It's actually getting very annoying. Now I'm stuck in the middle of the street. Yeah, I'm like turning this off. There's just no way I'm surviving. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Turn right onto Cinco Ranch Boulevard. Turn sharp to the left. Turn left onto Cinco Ranch Boulevard.
I don't know how I end this route. This lady, bruh. I was planning on doing a nighttime POV. Can this lady shut up? I don't know why that downshift didn't verbal, but okay.
If possible, make a legal U-turn.
Make a illegal U-turn? This is crazy. How do I end this? I think I turn right here. I'm not sure. I forgot how to get home. Can I squeeze it? Can I squeeze it or no?
Turn right.
Can this nigga move up? Oh my god, bro. Can you move up a little bit? Bro, are you fucking kidding me? Is this... Oh my god, bro. Is this dude like... Oh my gosh, bro. I genuinely think that that lady is slow. Like mentally, bro. I honked 3 times just for you to notice. Those are distracted drivers that cause wrecks. Because they ain't paying attention. They're just, I don't know what she doing, looking at her phone or what. Supra? Supra was kind of nice. Well, it isn't nice as how I had it said. Oh, look. It's a Cybertruck thing is right next to me. It's weird, bro. Cybertruck. Probably the worst car ever created, I ain't gonna lie. Refrigerator on wheels. Oh, what's up with that guy? I'm telling y'all, y'all ever move to like anywhere in the Houston area, you're gonna hate it real quick the way these people drive. People cannot drive here, they don't pay attention. They'll just switch lanes on like trust. I don't even know. They switch lanes on like, yeah, like their life is like they have like money on the line for it. I don't even know. Foundation? Is it a lifted Tesla? The sun is directly in my eye. I'm starting to think that my AC might not like work right or something. like, this is what I'm talking about. Braking for no reason, bro. Can't wait till I get back on these other roads over here, so I can actually have the road to myself again. Well, not to myself, but a lot less of. You know, I thought that was my car this whole time. It was actually the SUVs. Feel a lot more. Yeah, I don't know what these guys are doing. It was definitely my turn. See, like, I don't know what happened to my car, but by the way, this is a neighborhood entrance right here. I'm cutting off the video. I'll catch you guys in another clip.